Are you completely tired of heavy smoke and lingering cooking odors taking over your kitchen? Today, I am diving deep into the ultimate breakdown of the best under-cabinet range hood to upgrade your setup instantly. Product number 1. Xomaga ZMS 3976. I am starting off with an incredibly practical ventilation option that delivers an astronomical amount of value for compact kitchen spaces. I love the fact that I can get an astonishing 280 cubic feet per minute of suction power from its dual-speed fan system, meaning I rarely have to think about smoke or heavy odors remaining in the air. It features a convertible design, so I can effortlessly modify the venting setup to match my current home configuration, whether I am using a top duct vent or setting up a ductless recirculation layout. The stainless steel body is impressively slim at under 5 inches tall, and the multi-layer grease filters feel exceptionally easy to maintain over months of heavy cooking. I also noticed the integrated rocker button controls pair cleanly with the energy-efficient LED light panel, ensuring my cooking workspace remains bright during intensive culinary sessions. Product number 2. COMFEE CVU 30W2AST. Next up, I have a fantastic stainless steel kitchen fixture that brings a durable, space-saving design straight to your apartment or condominium cooking area. I am incredibly impressed by how effectively this 2-speed exhaust fan pulls up to 200 cubic feet per minute of contaminated air away, allowing me to fully focus on my tasks. I can customize my filtering preferences through dual installation layout options, selecting from a dishwasher-safe reusable mesh filter or an activated carbon cotton layout to perfectly balance my smoke removal performance. The resilient metal body gives me years of reliable and easy-to-clean service, and I heavily rely on the quiet motor operation that provides a peaceful kitchen environment even during high-heat frying tasks. I find the included lamp holder hardware exceptionally convenient because it allows me to keep my cooking range completely illuminated without manual adjustments. Product number 3. Broan-NuTone 413001. Now, I am looking at a pristine white non-duct ventilation system known for its remarkable filtration capabilities and clean aesthetic. I immediately notice how lightweight and compact the non-vented profile is, making it a wonderful companion for localized installation under standard household cabinets. I appreciate the custom charcoal-activated filtration setup built into the core design, which lets me capture floating grease particles to get a fresh and odor-free kitchen atmosphere that matches my preference perfectly. I frequently use the independent rocker switches for dual-speed fan management, and it captures heavy kitchen smoke with great efficiency without transmitting excessive noise throughout my house. The specialized recirculation layout makes it remarkably quick and easy to set up the insert directly above your range without installing complicated ductwork through your walls. I find the white finish highly practical when coordinating with bright countertops. Product number 4. FIREGAS FGS USF 39A575AC. This next model stands out as an exceptionally quiet stainless steel ventilation hood that elevates your everyday meal preparation experience to another level. I am amazed that it handles a powerful 300 cubic feet per minute airflow capacity while packing a highly insulated motor housing that actively eliminates loud operating noises inside my cooking area. I can easily toggle between low and high speeds using the integrated rocker switches when I need to stay ahead of steam during rapid boiling cycles. The construction quality remains highly satisfying and resilient, using heavy-duty material that resists rust and corrosion across all my daily food preparation tasks. I appreciate the convenient multi-layer aluminum mesh filters, which allow me to effortlessly capture floating oil droplets and grease elements without breaking a sweat. The internal illumination setup keeps operating smoothly for long hours using a bright built-in LED bulb. Product number 5. COMFEE CVU 30W4AST. Finally, I have an upgraded version ventilation hood engineered to deliver a highly versatile 3-speed exhaust fan system for your home culinary setup. I love using the ultra-intuitive push-button controls because it eliminates any guesswork, giving me instant suction management during intense frying or quick steaming sessions. The robust 5-layer reusable aluminum filters produce excellent grease capture ratios and high-maintenance convenience, so I can safely clean them inside my automatic dishwasher after heavy meals. I find the flexible duct and ductless conversion layout incredibly intuitive to manage when I need to quickly adapt the physical venting direction to match my existing cabinetry structural constraints. It also boasts a premium brushed exterior coating, meaning I can maintain a spotless and modern appearance without rubbing down the surface with specialized abrasive cleaners. Those are my top picks for the best under cabinet range hood available today. I hope this detailed breakdown helps you choose the perfect audio companion for your desktop setup.